Tisa with Green Organic Love, and I just wanted to share a really quick update on the garden. Now, normally I'm out here in the daytime, but this is the first time that I actually wanted to come out at night with my flashlight and see what is growing on in this garden. And there are new discoveries as always. So let's go in. This is the bed that had the carrots in that I planted months ago, last summer in fact, and it's almost spring. But let's take a look here in this brick bed to see exactly what is growing on in here. And come on, let's go in. So we got, this looks like carrots. Now, I was just out here, and with the last garden update, you will have not seen this one. Look at that one. It looks so much different at night. That's a carrot. This is what I thought was a beet. Looks like something might be munching on it. But look at that. Wow. That's a carrot. Can you guys see? Look at this. This is a carrot. Oh my goodness, it looks so amazing. This wasn't here. Just getting a close up. This wasn't here. Look at all the new stuff with all this rain that is out here in this garden. This is so exciting. So all the carrots, I have filled this bed up with carrots. There was carrots all over it. And this is from seed, you guys. I know I don't do nothing from seed, but I'm excited. Look. And I wanted to share with you guys what's going on over here. These are the berries that I purchased from Home Depot. Almost forgot where I got them from. I got these from Home Depot. So that's raspberry. I believe that is the lemonade blueberry, and there is the other blueberry. So I am happy to say that we are about to have something going on up in here. We about to be out here harvesting our own, and this is the perfect timing for it. So we got two different kind of blueberries over here. I believe one was a lemonade blueberry and one was a jewel, and oh, this is the jewel raspberry. So look at that. And actually, let me tell you what this is. This is the compost pile. I didn't know where else to put them, but yes, this is the compost pile. So look at that. I didn't want to be on here too long, you guys, but I just thought that I would come out here right quick and tell you what is growing on in the garden. What's growing on out here? Oh, it looks gorgeous.